How to watch YouTube while using other apps. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can watch YouTube while using other apps as well. Now remember that this feature is fully dependent on your phone. Now it depends on a feature called multi-screen. Now if you open up YouTube here, I'll open YouTube, you'll be able to view any video here. Now I won't play any video here, but once you play a video, if you swipe your fingers from all the way to the below and head into this apps option, background apps option here, and then tap and hold on YouTube here, and you'll see the option drop here for pop-up preview. Now simply tap on one side of your screen, upper part of your screen, and you can see you'll be able to view YouTube at the upper side of your screen, and lower below you can use another app. You can select app from here. I'll just select quick app from here. I'll select Play Store right here, and you can see I can use Play Store on the bottom of my screen, and on the top of the screen I'll be able to view YouTube. You can adjust this by either swiping it this way and adjusting the screen. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.